Hi Gopi Krishna, good morning. Mm, Tell me about yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. First of all, thanks for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. This is Gopi Krishna, a hardworking and a goal-oriented postgraduate of MSc with a specified computer science in Princeton degree and PG college with a percentage of 6.9 CGPA. And during my final year, I have a project which is cloud-based. It's achieving privacy-friendly storage and secure statistics. And it's a cloud project, and it's a domain as a .NET, and it's a security based project while transferring of data. And my strengths are um, hardworking and good communication skills, and passion towards learning new things, and a logical thinking. And I have a hobbies of browsing internet and listening to music, and loves to cook. And my technical skills are, I have trained for 6 months in Magnique software solutions in a testing, and a good at software testing. And during my family is about 4 members, and among me, my mother, and I have 2 elder sisters, and both are got married. And my goal is to get a job in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is to achieve the big role on that. Thank you.
Okay, so you know about the manual testing,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Can I ask some questions in manual testing?
Okay, ma'am.
So the first question is, what is software testing?
Software testing is a process of executing an application with an intention of defecting the bugs.
So what is defect?
Defect is nothing but it's a process of checking while execution the expected value. Is there any difference between expected value and actual value?
Okay, what is smoke testing and sandy testing?
Smoke testing is nothing but it's whenever the 100% code is completed and the build is released by the developer, then we have to check the application is stable or not, is called like sanity testing. Smoke testing is nothing but there is a lack of time, we have to check the main functionality of the testing, is called the sanity testing.
Okay, what is system testing?
System testing is nothing but validating the developing application is valid or not, it's correct or not, is called system testing.
Okay, what is white box testing?
White box testing is nothing but whenever the 100% code is ready by the developer, then we have to check the application is working as per the client requirement or not, is called the white box testing.
What is black box testing?
Black box testing, it's a black box testing is nothing but it's a code which is written in the source code which is written by the developer. We have to check that code is working as per the client requirement or not.
What is performance testing?
Performance testing is nothing but the checking the performance of the performance and speed of the application.
Okay, so what is validation and what is verification?
Verification is nothing but the application is working. Verification is nothing but the developing application is right or not, is called a verification. Validating is nothing but the application developed which is developed is correct or not.
Okay, what is gray box testing?
Gray box testing is nothing but the connection of black box testing and white box testing. And the testers need a little bit of knowledge on the coding.
You know different life cycles in manual testing, right? So can you explain the SDLC?
SDLC, software testing life cycle.
Yeah, can you please explain in both?
Nothing but software testing life cycle. In this we have 6 phases of in the software testing life cycle, and first one is nothing but test planning. Second one is test analysis. Third one is design, test design. Fourth one is test environment. Fifth one is nothing but test execution. Sixth one is defect reporting. Then sign off. In the test planning we have, and again also we have two steps. First one is two documents we have to prepare here, which is test strategy document. Second one is test plan document. Test strategy is nothing but it's a high level plan which is prepared by a test manager. It's prepared by test manager. Test manager based on FRS or BRS document. Based on BRS or FRS document. And test plan document which is prepared by the test lead. It's a module level plan which is prepared by the test lead. And test analysis is nothing but we have to utilize the requirements of the client, and we have to consult. We have to analyze the requirements, and we have to analyze that it's an FRS document or use case document. And if we have any doubts on this analysis or use case document, we have to consult in the RCN, that is requirement clarification note. Requirement clarification note, and send it to the domain expert who is QA. And in the test design we have two steps, which is test scenario and test cases. What is test scenario? It's what to test is called the test scenario. It's a unique test condition. It's a unique test condition, and the test case is nothing but how to test. How to test, and it's a step-by-step procedure. It's a step-by-step procedure, and it's a test environment. We have to test the compatibilities. That is the configurations like OS, operating systems, browsers, and system configurations. We have to test these are working as per the requirement or not. And test execution is nothing but whenever all the test cases are ready and the build is released by the developer. And we have to test that we have to compare the expected value compare the expected value with the actual value is called the execution. And defect reporting. Defect is nothing but there is any mismatch between expected value and actual value is called the defect, and we have to report this defect to the developer with the help of bug tracking tools. Bug tracking tools which are Zira, Bugzilla, and QCALM, like these are. And sign off. Whenever all the test cases are executed, we can sign off from there, and the defects are fixed, then we can sign off from here.
Asking another question. Bug life cycle.
Okay. Bug life cycle. Bug life cycle. Bug is nothing but the defect which is accepted by the developer is called the bug. Whenever the tester finds a bug, he will assign it to the developer for fixing, and it is updated the status as new. He will update the status as new, and through the bug tracking tool he will assign it to the developer. Then the developer will start the proceedings, like developer starts analyzing the defect. He starts analyzing the defect which is assigned by the tester, and if it is the defect is accepted by the developer, then he updates the status as accepted by the developer, update the status as open. He updates the status as open, and the defect is not accepted, and it's already in the application. Then he will update the application as it's invalid one. Then he update the status as duplicate. Then developer don't have the clarification about the defect, so then developer don't have the clarification about the defect, then it is update the status as hold, and the developer wants to fix for the next phase. Developer wants to fix the defect for the next phase. Then update the status as deferred. Whenever the developer starts fixing the bug, then he starts, after analyzing this, and he starts fixing the bug. He starts fixing the bug and update the status as fixed. Whenever he fixed the bug and he sent it to the tester, the tester again will make the regression testing. Retesting is nothing but testing the application which is modified. We have to test again and again is working as per the requirement or not. Regression testing is nothing but checking the defect related functionality is called the regression testing. The tester will do the regression testing whenever the developer fixed the defect. Then the status is as closed whenever he didn't get the any bugs. After the testing he didn't get any bugs, he update the status as closed, and again he will find another bug whenever he completed this one, and after this again the tester finds any defect in this, he updates the status as again new, and the cycle begins from here. That's it.
Okay, good. Can you write this some scenarios in ATM?
Okay. Test an ATM. We have to check each and every part of the ATM machine. First we have to check checking the card holder. Checking the card holder, which is accepting with the reverse method or any improper card. We have to check that, and checking the languages function. Checking the languages function, and checking the bank account details. Checking the account details like valid user or not, and fourth one is checking the mobile number. Checking the mobile number, and checking the banking button working properly or not, checking the withdraw button. On that withdraw button, again checking with the ATM pin number, and again checking with the ATM pin number after this. And nowadays we have the OTP for that. OTP is verified or not. Sorry, OTP is sent or not. Sent to register mobile number or not. Sent to registered mobile number, and checking the OTP which is valid or not. Next, after withdraw, checking the confirmation mail or next is the cash details, and testing the pin generation, testing the pin change, and checking the current account or not, and checking the amount entered, is correct or not. Again
Yeah, okay, fine, Gopi Krishna. Our HR will get back to you, Gopi Krishna.